Will from Sno Trac. Today I wanted to show you around our 2024 machine. The Sno Trac is meant to be a cost-effective, fun, easy to operate, and useful machine. And it's also very easy to modify, it's easy to work on, and it's built right here in the United States. So let's check out some of the features on this thing. First off, the cab is aluminum construction, which makes this thing about the same weight as a Honda CR-V, which is a lot less than people expect, and that helps it float really well in the snow. We've got these side racks that enable adding a lot of accessories and bringing extra fuel and supplies with you, of course. Over here, we've got door. As you can see inside, things are pretty simple, but you've got everything you need. There's seating for a maximum of 7 people, although really we recommend about 4 or 5 people in here at a time. And then you've got your controls up front and windshield wipers. That's pretty much it. So up here on the dash, there's not too much going on, but we've got 2 lights, the front and rear. We got a cab light. We've got 2 spare switches, which are for whatever you want to hook up to this machine. Again, we want to keep this easy to modify. And then here you have your steering sensitivity, which will help you manage the vehicle at different speeds. And then your high, medium, and low range, and your parking brake. And then here we've got this column, which just folds down wherever you want it. And then here you have your joystick to drive the machine. So it's pretty simple up here, easy for anyone to hop into and learn to drive in a couple minutes. Again, keeping with this simple theme, we've just got these windshield wiper motors here with switches. It's super simple, but it always works, and it'll keep you going out in the wild. So one of the only maintenance items you're gonna have to do is just tension the tracks. That's something you'll have to do on a weekly basis or every so often when you use the machine, and it's super easy. This tool is included, and you can slap it on this nut right here, and then just a couple turns to get this track back where it should be. And we have detailed instructions on exactly how to do that, but it's pretty easy. No. So on the 24 model, we switched to these hard rubber bogies, and that reduces the amount of maintenance you're going to have to do previously with the air-filled tires. These can't go flat, so that's one less thing you have to worry about. And then these tires are much more reliable, so these are still air-filled and you'll still have to check those, but overall a pretty maintenance-free system right here. And then over here on the sprocket, this sprocket is actually made up of 4 sections of removable teeth. And so if you go ahead and damage one of these or break something, you can just unbolt this one section right here, and we can send you a new one, and it would be a super easy repair compared to getting a whole new sprocket. So it's little things like that that make this machine easy to run, easy to maintain, and yeah, a nice machine to have around.